All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to my weekly quick tip video. Today, I want to talk about a single thing that you can think about that's going to significantly increase the speed at which you're able to accomplish the goals you set for yourself. And that is, at any point, think to yourself about whether this is putting you closer towards or further away from your goals. Now, that might sound simple, but let's dig a little deeper. So I believe that all of the time, we are either getting better or we're getting worse. There's no such thing as staying still. There's no such thing as staying the same. Because when you compare where you could be with where you are, if you stay the same, you're worse than you could be. So you've gotten worse. So you're either getting better or you're getting worse at all times. So throughout the day, if you catch yourself, maybe you've got your phone out and you're like, sick, Instagram, double tap that one, message this person. If this isn't accomplishing your goals, if you've set aside free time's important. We can't just be machines that work all the time with non-stop. That doesn't work. Obviously, be realistic about it. But if you're supposed to be working and you find yourself on your phone, maybe go, oh, is this something that's making me get better? Or is this something that's making me get worse? And you can use that little trigger to make yourself kind of switch on and get back to actions that are going to make you better. And you'll find that when you do this, after the fact, you actually feel good about it. You're like, oh, nice. I reduced my time that I spent distracted, and I got better, and I got stuff done. So now you have more time for the rest of the day, let's say you finish work, to actually relax. And so just by thinking about that one thing throughout the day, you're able to increase your productive hours, you're able to minimize your distractions, and increase the speed at which you accomplish your goals. So, as I said, just a quick video for today, but hopefully this kind of helps you stay on track and avoid distractions.